at IPC Athletics.
So now the final of the women's 100 meters T42. There's 3 in this final, and these are the 3 who medalled in the World Championships final in Lyon last year. Great sunshine in southwest Wales now. And the world champion and the Paralympic Games champion, Martina CAIRONI, has been drawn in lane 3. She's won the last 2 global titles. Jana SCHMIDT of Germany alongside, who won silver last year in Lyon, silver in Christchurch in the World Championships in 2011 and bronze at London 2012 in between. And in the last 2 World Championships, it's been bronze for Germany and Vanessa LOW.
There are 3 finalists in the next event on the track, the women's 100m T42.
CAIRONI setting the world record in Rome ahead of the World Championships last year. Needless to say, that's the European record as well. CAIRONI, who beat SCHMIDT to gold last year. T40s. For those so CAIRONI in 3, SCHMIDT in 4, and LOW is in 5. And we're away at the first time of asking. CAIRONI trying to get going. LOW has got good ball to herself when she does get going. But CAIRONI has got the fluidity of motion at the moment. And it might be the exact same 1, 2, 3 as last year in Lyon. CAIRONI's going to take it. And this time LOW hits a high. Silver for her. SCHMIDT gets the bronze. Italy gold. Germany silver and bronze. CAIRONI takes another major title. She takes the European gold for Italy, but this time it's Vanessa LOW who beats Jana SCHMIDT instead of the other way round in terms of the German athletes. 15.63. Good time. It's around half a second outside her world record, but this is about medals and not about the fastest of times. Well, she was out very well. LOW started slowly, but once she got herself going, she was in great form. CAIRONI was uncatchable by this stage. SCHMIDT, the opposite. Unfortunately, from her point of view, as Vanessa LOW caught up with her. LOW starting very slowly, but it's like Whitehead in that situation. Always finishes really, really well. CAIRONI, marvellous. No problems for her at all. 15.63, the winning time. It's behind her season's best as well. And then LOW beat SCHMIDT in the final 5. Got past the line in second place for silver for Germany. They get the bronze as well, but it's Italian gold, Martina CAIRONI. And 15.63 her winning time. LOW beat SCHMIDT by 0.14 of a second. It's behind her season's best as well, and then LOW beat SCHMIDT in the final 5. Got past the line in second place for silver for Germany. They get the bronze as well, but it's Italian gold, Martina CAIRONI. And 15.63 her winning time. LOW beat SCHMIDT by 0.14 of a second.